ASUS, we fully support your desire to extend the lifespan of your products.
Keeping your devices running longer is great for you and the planet.
However, extending your product's life should never come at the cost of your safety. Using unauthorized or counterfeit parts introduces real risks to your device. Low-quality third-party batteries can suffer from physical swelling or severe degradation over time. Meanwhile, uncertified adapters often lack stable voltage control, which can overheat your laptop or damage internal circuits.
That's why choosing ASUS genuine parts for critical components like batteries and chargers is the only way to guarantee certified protection, exact compatibility, and long-term reliability. It's a peace of mind you and your device deserve. Not sure if the part you purchased is genuine? Here is how to check. First, inspect the packaging to ensure it arrives completely intact and professionally sealed. Next, locate the official CSN label on the packaging. Take a moment to verify this unique label. This customer service number ensures your part is an authentic, certified ASUS product. By choosing to repair and care for your device, you're helping us build a more sustainable future, one laptop at a time. Let's keep your tech running beautifully, safely, and responsibly. Always choose official channels for your replacement parts. Check out the verified links in the description box below, and let's take the next step together.